Yo, welcome back to another Young Dreamers, man. Young Dreamers advice. Like I said, I don't write these. I come on here, I'm about to speak from the heart one more time. At the time of this recording, I am not in town. I am out of town on some business. But I got a topic I want to talk about today. That's something that happened to me recently. Um, that's gonna be distractions. Let's talk about distractions today. Distractions can come in plenty forms. You know what I'm saying? Distractions can come in the form of people. Distractions can come in the form of things, your favorite things. It don't matter. Especially when you're chasing your goals or when you're going for something that isn't easy to get. It makes you want to distract yourself, but in order to be successful, you can't allow yourself to be distracted. So, we're going to talk about how hard it is to cut out some of those distractions and how to, or even if you need to cut out those distractions, really. But first, I'm going to say what happened to me. What happened to me is, let's say there's something like, let's say there's something that I enjoy doing that'll take up about 8-9 hours a day. Maybe it's 2K, maybe it's GTA, who knows. But long story short, I had to let it go because it started to hinder my progress with my YouTube journey. You know what I'm saying? It started to my uploads got later. It took more days to upload. At the time of this recording, it been 5 days since I dropped the Life is Strange video. You know what I'm saying? Just a little stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Stuff that I had in order that I drop a video every 2 days, but boom, you know what I'm saying? But I started giving more time to this and it just kind of messed everything up and took me off my journey kind of and like changed me. Now let's not get anything wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with having fun, you know what I'm saying? You can't be all work, no play, but still at a certain point when that thing begins to harm you in your process, you know what I'm saying? Sleeping schedule. When I say my sleeping schedule got bad, you know what I'm saying? It got bad to like, I say about, I was staying up until about 5 a.m., 6 a.m., you know what I'm saying? Waking up at about 3 p.m. And I'm like, wait a minute. You know what I'm saying? I got videos to drop. I got this. I got that. Bada bing, bada boom. But mind you, this is something you like a lot. It's fun. You know what I'm saying? It's fun. We talking about things right now. It's fun. You know what I'm saying? So of course you want to do it. But it's like, at the end of the day, it's harming you. Now let's talk about people. Some people won't take your time seriously when you're chasing a dream. If that makes sense. Like, you know what I'm saying? You tell somebody you busy or you can't do something today or you can do it the next day, and at the end of the day it's all love. You love the person, like depending on who it is, you love the person, you know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying, you have certain obligations to yourself as well, especially when you're doing something like this. You know what I'm saying? When you're chasing a certain dream, something that isn't easily attainable, or maybe something nobody has achieved yet, like in your family, So some people don't take it serious. They're like, I can't do it today, I can't make it today, boom. And they like, well, what you mean you can't make it today? All you doing is, this or that, all you doing is, well, no matter what you are, you a rapper. I gotta write 3 songs today. You know what I'm saying? I gotta write 3 songs today, and you know what I'm saying? They think you joke, and they don't take it serious. Like, but at the end of the day, it's all work. You know what I'm saying? Just because you don't work for somebody or work for a company or work for somebody else doesn't mean you're not putting in work. You know what I'm saying? And speaking for somebody that's like, that's on a road that's not much traveled, at least where I come from, it's not, it's not easy. You feel me? it's not easy to like explain these things. So yeah. And also, what else I was about to say? At the end of the day, you're gonna have to push yourself. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to make these decisions. What's important. And if you say you're gonna do something for yourself, you have to do it, especially when it's in regards to your journey, bro. If you know you have to do this by a certain day, get it done. Put your work in and stay consistent, bro. And for the people who are like those people who do talk down on you for going after your dreams and goals, bro, we need y'all to understand something. It ain't easy. It take a lot of discipline. I'm gonna talk about discipline in a whole nother video. I'm gonna talk about discipline in a whole nother video. But I'm nearing wrapping this one up. But I want to say I want to do subscriber interviews. That's the thing I want to bring to the channel. It's an original idea. Subscriber interviews. So if you are interested in interviewing me or me interviewing you, drop it down in the comment section and you can interview me. I guess you don't need a cam, or you can do cam or whatever, but I want to do more subscriber involved content, interact with you guys and, get to know some subscribers really. So, yeah, subscriber interviews is something I want to do. Drop a like on the video and hit that subscribe button. No, it's not over yet. That's something I want to do. I want to interact with y'all. I want to hear y'all stories. I want to hear y'all trials. I want to, you know what I'm saying? And give y'all advice on that live in video. I mean, if you want to, if you down for something like that, it'll go up on the channel. And yeah, that's something I want to do, and plus it's original. And yeah, that's just me. That's, yeah. Do y'all, what else? Am I missing something? Probably not. But for the person who's watching this, who is scared to dream or scared to chase a goal, you can do it. And it ain't too late, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You can do anything, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can do anything. Believe me. And when it pay off, woo! But let me get out of here, man. I'll catch y'all. Peace.